Look at the ground near that bicycle, Mark. Is that a black leather wallet?
Yes, it looks like someone dropped it. Let me pick it up and check.
It looks very new and expensive. We should see if there is a name inside.
I am opening the wallet now. There is some cash in many plastic cards.
Someone must be very worried about this. We need to find the owner quickly.
I agree with you completely. Losing a wallet is a big problem for everyone.
Is there an identity card in that pocket? Please look at the photo.
Yes, the name on the card is Mr. Thomas Brown. He looks like an older man.
He has gray hair and a very kind smile. Maybe he is still in this street?
Let's look around the local shops. He might be looking for it right now.
It is a very busy afternoon today. Many people are walking past us.
We need to be very careful with this item. It is a big responsibility.
I will put the wallet in my bag for safety. It is better than holding it.
That is a very smart idea, Lily. You are a very organized person.
Should we call the police station? They can help us find the man.
Let's try to find him ourselves first. We have his name and his photo.
Okay, let's start with that small cafe. People often stop there for a drink.
I will lead the way to the entrance. It is just across the street.
I hope we can find Mr. Brown soon. He is probably very stressed.
I feel very positive about this mission. We're doing a very good thing.
You are a very honest man, Mark. It is nice to work with you.
Thank you, Lily. I feel the same. Let's go inside the cafe now.
I will ask the people at the tables. Maybe they know this gentleman.
I will speak to the barista at the counter. He sees many customers.
Let's be quick but very polite. Every minute is important.
I am ready for our detective work. Let's solve this mystery together.
Look, the cafe is very full. This might take a few minutes.
Don't worry, we have time. Let's go and ask the first person.
I see a man near the window. He looks a bit like the photo.
Let's go and check quietly. It might be our lucky day.
Wait, let's look at the wallet again. We need more information about him.
I am checking the small pockets now. There's a library card here.
It is from the central library nearby. That is only 2 blocks from here.
He might be there to read a book. Older people love the library.
That is very good logic, Mark. You are very good at this.
Look, I found a small paper receipt. It is from this exact cafe.
The time on the receipt is 10 minutes ago. He was here today.
This is a very lucky discovery. He is probably very close to us.
Let's show the photo to the barista. He might remember the face.
My heart is beating very fast. This feels like a real movie.
It is a very exciting adventure. I am glad we are helping him.
Mr. Brown is probably very sad now. He needs his cards and money.
We have all his important documents. He will be so happy to see us.
You are very calm and helpful, Lily. You are a great partner.
Thank you. I'm just trying to help. Let's speak to the barista now.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help us? We found a wallet outside.
Do you know this man in the photo? He was here 10 minutes ago.
The barista is looking at the card. He is thinking for a moment.
He says the man was here for tea. He went toward the park.
Thank you very much for your help. Have a wonderful afternoon.
Now we know exactly where to go. The park is just around the corner.
The park is quite large and open. We should check the benches first.
He might be sitting down to rest. Older people often enjoy the flowers.
I will look on the left side. You can look on the right side.
We are like real park detectives. This is a very good plan.
I am very optimistic about our search. We will find him soon.
The sun is very bright and warm. It is a beautiful day for this.
I see a man near the fountain. Is he wearing a blue jacket?
Yes, he is, and he has gray hair. Let's go and see his face.
Walk slowly so we don't scare him. We need to be very gentle.
It is not him, Mark. This man is much younger than the photo.
You are right. Let's continue. We should walk toward the tall trees.
Wait, I see another man there. He is near the park gate.
He looks very upset and worried. He's looking in his bag.
He is checking all his pockets. He looks very confused and sad.
That must be Mr. Thomas Brown. He fits the description perfectly.
He is wearing a blue jacket and a hat. He has a walking stick too.
Let's go and talk to him now. We should be very friendly.
Excuse me, sir. Are you Mr. Brown? My name is Lily.
The man is looking up at us. He looks very surprised and tired.
He says yes, that is his name. He is asking why we know him.
Did you lose something important today, sir? We want to help you.
He is checking his pockets again. He says he lost his wallet.
He looks like he wants to cry. Losing a wallet is very difficult.
Please don't worry, Mr. Brown. We have some very good news.
We found your wallet on the sidewalk. It was near the bicycle shop.
I am taking the wallet from my bag. Is this your black wallet?
He is touching his chest with relief. He is smiling for the first time.
He says thank you many times. He is very happy and surprised.
We are very glad to find you. Please check your things inside.
He is opening the leather wallet now. He is looking at the money.
Everything is there, sir. Don't worry, we didn't touch anything.
He says all his memories are here. He has photos of his family.
That is very sweet and important. Memories are more valuable than money.
He is shaking our hands now. His hands are very warm and kind.
He says we are very honest people. He is very grateful for us.
It is the right thing to do. We are happy you are okay.
He wants to give us a reward. He's holding some cash.
No, thank you, sir. We don't need it. Your smile is enough.
We are just happy to help a neighbor. Have a beautiful day.
Mr. Brown is still talking to us. He is very friendly now.
He says he was going to the bank. He needed those cards.
I am glad we found him before that. He would be very sad.
He is telling us about his grandchildren. They live in another city.
That is why the photos are important. He loves his family very much.
He is a very lonely man today. He just wanted a walk.
We made his day much better. He is smiling at the flowers now.
You have a very kind way with people. You are very patient.
Thank you, Mark. You are very polite, too. You are a gentleman.
It is easy to be nice to people. Everyone needs a little help.
Mr. Brown is putting his wallet away. He is being very careful.
He is putting it in his inner pocket. That is a very safe place.
I will remind him to be careful. The park is very busy today.
He is waving his walking stick. He is ready to continue his walk.
Goodbye, Mr. Brown. Take care of yourself. We are happy to meet you.
Have a wonderful afternoon, sir. It was a pleasure to help.
He is walking away slowly now. He looks much more relaxed.
We did a great job today. I feel very happy in my heart.
Me too. It is a great feeling. Helping others is very special.
You were very fast with your ideas. I like how you think.
And you were very brave to speak. We are a good team.
Let's walk back toward the center. The sun is still very warm.
I am a bit tired now. That was a lot of excitement.
Do you want to sit down? We can find another bench.
No, let's keep walking for a bit. I like the fresh air.
The flowers in this park are beautiful. You should take a photo.
That is a great idea. I have my camera right here.
I will wait for you here. Take your time, Lily.
You are a very patient friend. Thank you for staying.
It is my pleasure, Lily. I enjoy our time together.
The photo of the fountain is perfect. The light is very soft.
You are a very talented photographer. I like your style.
Thank you. I am still learning. Every day is a new lesson.
We learned a lot today, too. People are very grateful for honesty.
Yes, honesty is the best policy. It makes the world better.
I will remember Mr. Brown's face. He was so relieved.
His smile was the best reward. I don't need any money.
You are a very generous woman. Your heart is very big.
You are a very honorable man. I respect you a lot.
Thank you, Lily. That is very nice. I'm just a normal guy.
No, you are a very good guy. Not everyone helps strangers.
I think many people are good. They just need a chance.
Maybe you are right about that. I want to believe it.
The sky is starting to turn orange. It is nearly the evening.
It is my favorite time of day. Everything looks so magical.
Like a scene from a storybook. We are the main characters.
Yes, the detectives who found the lost treasure.
It was a very successful mission. I'm proud of us.
I am proud of us too. We are a very effective team.
We should do more good things. The world needs more help.
I agree with you completely. Let's look for more adventures.
But maybe something less stressful next time. I need a break.
Okay, maybe just a picnic tomorrow. No lost wallets.
That sounds like a perfect plan. I love picnics in the park.
I can bring some sandwiches and tea. You can bring the fruit.
I will bring some fresh apples and grapes. It will be delicious.
I'm looking forward to it. You are a great friend.
You are a great friend too. See you tomorrow, Lily.
See you tomorrow, Mark. Have a peaceful night.
Good night, Lily. Sleep well.
Today was a very special day. I feel very proud of us.
Helping Mr. Brown was the best part. He was so happy.
I am glad we didn't go to the police. We did it ourselves.
It was much faster this way. We found him in 20 minutes.
You were very calm and steady. It helped me stay calm too.
We supported each other well. That is what friends do.
The park is getting very quiet now. Most people are home.
It is a very peaceful atmosphere. I like the silence.
I am going to walk home now. My house is nearby.
I will walk with you to the gate. It is safer that way.
You are a true gentleman, Mark. Thank you for your kindness.
It is my pleasure to walk with you. I enjoy our talks.
I enjoy them too. You are very smart. You have many ideas.
I just like to think about life. It is very interesting.
You are a very deep thinker, Mark. I like that about you.
Thank you, Lily. That means a lot. You are very wise too.
We are a very good match for conversation. I am never bored.
Me neither. The time goes very fast. It is already sunset.
Look at the clouds over the trees. They are pink and gold.
It is a beautiful ending to a beautiful day. I am happy.
I am happy too, Mark. Today was perfect in every way.
I will see you at the picnic tomorrow. Don't forget the tea.
I won't forget, I promise. I have a very good memory.
I know you do. You remembered Mr. Brown's ID. You are great.
Good night, Mark. Take care. I will see you soon.
Good night, Lily. Have a nice dream. See you tomorrow morning.